Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Holy mackerel, amazing, isn't it? So much fun. I hope everybody watched the videos over the weekend and my special video I did on the on SPY about I think about 4 or 5 days ago, somewhere in that area. But things are working out just fine. All right, we had a huge move today, but first let's go over our recent alerts. All right, here they are, right here. No, I'm not going to put the ticker's over here. Why? Because there's no need for that. But you know this one's PCL Inc. It's 1160, and we closed that today. Yes, we did. And that was, let's see, I alerted that on the 30th, and that was 1,257% today. So far, the total trades are 88 trades since Thanksgiving, and we are up 21,036%. All right, these recent positions, two were carried over from December 24th, but starting on the 29th to the 31, we're up 3,300%, so not too bad right here. If you're not a member, there's a good reason to become a member. For $6.99 or $9.99 or $1,500 for a year, I mean, come on, you make this in, what, a day? Anyway, let's get right to the rest of the story. Okay, so as I said, SPY is going to come down to the trend line. Okay, it's just that simple. And we were lucky enough this happened in one day. It was beautiful. Okay, I didn't get head faked out on the other day, and none of our members did. Why? Because we're in a pattern. It is what it is until it isn't. All right, so now what happens? Well, we either blow through this and head more to the downside, or we're going to come up and hit this upper trend line and come down. Okay, so you get your middle Bollinger Band right around 205, somewhere in that area. So that would be the potential if we do get this upside move. If we do come down tomorrow, we're going to come down and tag this 100-day moving average. But you know my longer-term goal is over here. And what normally we got this gap filled, so we're not even going to worry about that right now. We said it was going to fill the gap. It did fill the gap. Okay, so what normally takes place here? Oops, let me get this one out of here. So with your trend line like this, pretty much going that way right there, we're going to need a candle to come up and hit this trend line and then continue this pattern to the downside. That's pretty much how it happens. So right now, you know, we have nice support right here, and we could get that one bounce, and if we can get back up to 205, that would be a very lucrative day tomorrow. And we'll just have to see what happens. So, you know, looking at the daily time frame, it looks really good here. The gap's closed, everything's done. We made massive money, as you could see on some of those profits on the way down, because we were already positioned for this. Where? We were positioned over here. All right, right at the top. All right, so let's take a look at, what do I want to look at? PCLN. So PCLN was monster move today. It really worked out well for us, and it's coming down to fill the gap, just like I said. I said it was either going to go here or here. Just be patient, right? All right, so it did. It's coming down here, and by having a straddle or by being in the chat room, you knew what to do, and we already had it. We already said it, and the members were already aware of what was going on and what my thoughts were. So you can see it's in a downtrend pattern now. Beautiful $50 move, $51 move to the downside today before a little bit of a bounce, but we know we're going to catch this here. So that's going to be pretty simple tomorrow, unless we bounce up and then come back down and get it another time. Either way, we'll get it one way or another. CMG, another very big trade for us, doing really well. Came down, hit the middle Bollinger Band today. This is what I wanted it to do, and it bounced off it a little bit here, but it's a beautiful broken trade from this top call over here, and still working out very well. We have a ways to go here, and I think we're going to get down to this trend line, and then it'll probably bounce off the trend line there. That'll take the market to right where I need it to be for my ultimate goal here for January, and it's going to be very lucrative. So IBM, we didn't get head faked yesterday. We're still in our puts, and we're a little over 200% on those. Beautiful here. It popped up, another opportunity to buy some of these puts, and really worked out here. It's breaking the middle Bollinger Band, and hopefully we can get down here to these levels again and make even more money. So IBM's doing well. Google. All right, Google. like I've been saying since what? You've been watching my videos for how long now? All right. Even though we get these bounces in here, it does the same thing. Okay. Comes up, bounces, back down again, just like that. All right. So it's been a beautiful ride on this one. Huge money on the put side, and we're gonna make more. It's an awesome downtrend position, and is tracking to be a very lucrative trade for us once again. Um, I want to look at one more Tesla because I said what was going to happen, and it's just about there now, okay? You have two trend lines on this one. You have the short-term, long-term. We went over this already. And you do have an upper gap over here that needs to get filled, and that's about 256. I'll tell you when we're going to do that, but it's not going to be right now, okay? We're very close to filling that gap today. Actually, we might have just filled it. We called the exit on the options, and started looking at what was going to be the next trade for this. But just so you know, members have done very, very well. I have some members who have made 345,000, 190,000, 10,000, 3,000, 45,000. Okay, we have a lot of members that are doing very, very well. Okay, and yes, they only paid for a lifetime membership. So look at it's simple. Make sure you join us. All right. We have what it takes to make you money for 2015. We have the technical setups. We see what's on the charts. We can read the charts. We know what the market makers are doing. It's very easy for us. We've put a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of effort into it. Okay, so if you feel like making money, whether it's options or stocks, because we were trading stocks this morning, it doesn't matter. Options, stocks, or whatever the case may be, we have it all. All right, and we're going to teach you how to do it. And we're going to teach you how to see it so you can do it on your own because you don't need us, but you need to know it. All right, this is Matt. Remember, it is what it is until it isn't. Have yourself a great day.